going great. So after this level, this M formation, will probably have something like another zone here where our price will finally rest and decide what to do next. Okay, this should cover both here and there. And also it's in line with these zones. And obviously we need the direction of what has happened. So we have this drop, and then we need an after effect. So probably the market is going to continue and then reach this, or we are going to have a break, and the market is going to push out all the sellers in the market by having this bounce. I don't think it will be that much. Okay, what is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, I post forex trading strategies each and every Friday. I post forex indicators, indices indicators each and every Thursday, and then each and every Sunday I post the weekly analysis of what is going to happen the following week. So this is what we're going to do today. The market has been doing great, and yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm looking at boom 1000 in the 4-hour time frame, so that since the weekly analysis, you can get to know what is going to happen throughout the weekend. The move has been great. We've been having this nice drop in the market, which we expect to rest at this level. Of course, we may have maybe a few bullish candlesticks here, but eventually our price will rest at this level. So if you haven't already, destroy the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. So I have something special for you at the end. So stick around and see what's going to happen. So let me show you the bigger picture. This is the bigger picture. This is the bigger picture of what has been happening with boom 1000. The sell has been paying. If you're also following my the prophetic strategy that I just posted, you will know about this sell. If you're not familiar with that strategy, there is a video on that here on YouTube written the prophetic strategy, or you can go to my Instagram and follow me, and then ask for the link for my Telegram group where I taught the strategy, where I'm also giving free signals. Okay, you don't want to miss this. So this is what I think is going to happen. We have had a nice M formation here. Nice M formation. Maybe let me label it for you guys. What we mean by an M formation. So an M formation is basically the letter M, right? For those that are not familiar about it, it's basically the letter M. Oh, what have we done? Okay. I need an arrow here, something like this. I usually do peak to peak. So that's what we have on the 4-hour time frame, and it's been producing great results, as you can see. And then obviously you have this movement downwards. So this is what we have for boom 1000. Possibly price is going to rest here and then decide either if it breaks, we know that it's going to continue with the M cycle, or it's going to bounce. So you either look for the breakout or for the bounce. So yeah, this is if you're using that strategy again, you know that overall market is pushing downwards. So look for sell opportunities for 1000. Let's go to boom 500 and see what has been happening. So boom 500 has been consolidating for quite some time, but there is a direction, of course. But if in general, you can see that there is no proper direction, but this is still tradable. You can still be entering into buys and sells. These hypes, these drops, you can still be trading those. So this is what I think is going to happen. Price is definitely going to push up to this level, because that's it's coming from a support zone, and then from here price is either going to break out and reach this resistance zone, or it's gonna fall again. But eventually I'm expecting an upward movement. Maybe let me put it in. Yeah, I'm expecting this movement eventually. So I might hold my buy from now, and I won't get worried because this is boom. The spikes will be in my favor. Let me zoom in so that you can clearly see what I'm talking about. So I'm saying price is moving from this resistance zone. Let me draw it properly. But maybe it will drop and then push up. But eventually I'm looking for this breakout, and then price will reach this resistance zone. So that's my overall position for the week. That's what I'm looking for during this week. Okay, and then this is crash 1000. We've been selling it. I don't know if you missed it, guys, but I've been in a sell, and the drop I'm also expecting it to continue downwards, because we're coming from a major resistance zone, and we expect that drop. Although we are generally in an uptrend, the market is recovering from the pandemic, of course, but we expect these drops to be happening quite a number of times. So maybe let's draw some resistance, some support. Maybe we can clearly see what we are talking about. So here, okay, let me draw some major support first. Then we talk about the minor ones. So here is a major support zone. You can see price is touched our support zone quite a number of times. At the same time, price touched our resistance zone quite a number of times. So this drop in crash 500, I'm not really scared on entering it, because I know I'll be in line with the spikes. So I can just place my position and then relax, and then just watch price drop. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so that you can clearly see. Sorry, I'm supposed to be zooming in. You can clearly see what I'm talking about. So we can also spot some minor support zones where price might start to rest before continuing in our direction. We can also see this zone. Price has touched this quite a number of times, and you may decide maybe to reach here first before the continuation. If you're scared that the market might reverse on you, you can also have this trend to also support what I'm talking about. Can you see? So price is most likely to drop to this level first, and I'm also expecting maybe a breakout or a bounce, but eventually the sell you should catch. Okay, let's go to crash 500. Crash 500. If you're in a Telegram group, you should know about this buy. You should know about this buy movement. We talked about it. So probably price is going to start from into an uptrend. Remember, we've been in a downtrend for quite a number of time, for quite a long time. But eventually, I'm expecting price to break and then start to rise, and then probably retrace and then continue going back up to this level. So if you are in my Telegram group, you know about this buy. We talked about it yesterday. It's been buying since then, and now it's time we wait and see what is going to happen. If it breaks my resistance, I'm entering into the buy again, and then obviously it will retrace some time to stop hands, blah blah blah. But eventually that will be for the week. This will be my analysis for the week on crash. Eventually we are in a buy trend more than we are selling. Yeah, I know most people are afraid to buy crash because maybe, I don't know what you're scared of, but this is what we have. So if you want to be added in the Telegram group, that I'll be giving free signals and setups. I'm sure we're going to be discussing this again in the Telegram group. So go to my Instagram, the link is down below. Follow me, send me a DM, then I will send you the link to the Telegram group. That is all for today, for this week. Actually, let's wait for the next videos. Turn on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post. Subscribe, smash the like button, comment down below what you think is going to happen this week. See you at the top.